This is my intro. Hey loves, it's me Destiny, and today I'm going to be showing you guys 4 easy lock styles that I like to do. So in this lock style, I'm going to take out 2 front pieces. Then I'm going to use the perimeter locks on each side of my head, pull those up, tie a little knot. And then I'm going to take the locks on the sides of my head, pull those up, and do the same thing, except for I'm going to pull the previous knot ends under and then tie them all together. Okay, now I'm just going to give that a little fluff, and honestly, boom, hairstyle number 1. So for hairstyle number 2, I'm going to pull out my 2 front pieces. I'm going to be using the locks on the sides of my head and leaving out the center bit because I like the way it makes the back look. Next, I use one lock and I wrap it around, make it a ponytail. And then when it's tight enough, then I tie it. Fluff your little ponytail out, hide that little lock that you tied with, and then hairstyle number 2. Hairstyle number 3, really all I'm doing is just wrapping or twisting the loose hair, making it a bun. Make sure you leave out one lock because you're going to use that lock to secure your bun. All I'm doing here is just poking in the bits that are sticking out, making my bun pretty, and hairstyle number 3. So for hairstyle number 4, I'm going to be taking out my little sideburn pieces. Then I'm going to section off my bang, and I'm going to pull it to one side because that's how, the little swoop is made. As I'm twisting, I'm pulling in a neighboring lock. So this is keeping the bang together. And then when I get to the bottom, I wrap a lock around it all, and then I tie it tight. Not too tight, of course. And that's how I keep my bang in place, or my little swoop in place. Now in the back. So what I'm doing is I'm grabbing some hair from each side and I'm tossing it over. I'm grabbing some hair from the other side, tossing it over that, and vice versa. And I go back and forth just a few times, and this is to keep my layered locks laid down and in place. Now I'm going to take a lock and wrap that around my ponytail. And because my lock is not long enough, I'm going to use another lock, twist those 2 together, and then continue to wrap it around. And then I tuck it under and of course do a little tie. Thank you for watching. Bye.